Did you know there's a reason we keep jumping into freezing water? It's called blue mind, and apparently being near water actually changes your brain. Most of the time we're stuck in red mind, stressed, busy, overwhelmed, or the grey mind, scrolling, zoning out and feeling just a bit flat. But when you stand by a waterfall or take that icy dip, and suddenly everything shifts, breathing slows, thoughts quieten, the blue completely overpowers the red and the grey. And honestly, that's exactly why we're here.